If you are someone using LLMs like Google Gemini or ChatGPT and feel concerned about the data you share during chats, we have good news. Now you can install powerful large language models on your own computer, and your data will never leave your system. It's also absolutely free, so you don't need to worry about paying monthly subscription fees to use these powerful AI services. Meet Ollama. Ollama is a free and open-source application that lets you run powerful large language models directly on your computer. This means you can experiment with these fascinating LLMs without relying on external servers or worrying about your data privacy. Ollama installs in minutes and lets you interact with local LLMs right away. Let's install Ollama now. Head over to the Ollama website and download the installer for your operating system. We'll walk you through setting it up on a Mac. Once downloaded, unzip the file and drag the Ollama app to the Applications folder. Next, launch the Ollama app and then open your terminal window. To verify successful installation, type Ollama. You'll see the list of available Ollama commands. Let's try using a popular model called Llama 3 using the run command. Type Ollama run Llama 3. The first time you run this command, it will take some time as it downloads the Llama 3 model. Once downloaded, you'll see a prompt saying send a message. Now you can start typing your questions or prompts for Llama 3. Let's try it out and check if model knows about itself. The Ollama run command initiates a chat session that persists until you exit. Now, you can keep chatting and the model remembers what you entered as long as it fits within its context window. To exit the chat session, type /by. Ollama offers functionalities beyond basic text chat. You can provide context or complex instructions across multiple lines. Let's ask to summarize the given multi-line text. Quite impressive. Here is a summary of the provided text. You can also pass the prompt as an argument to the run command. As you can see, the model has successfully processed the markdown file supplied as an argument to the run command and summarized it. Ollama sets itself up as a local server on port 11434. You can do a quick curl command to check that the API is responding. You can also interact with Ollama through its API, which includes SDKs for JavaScript and Python. See the official API docs for more information. Ollama offers a variety of models beyond Llama 3. You can find a complete list on the Ollama model library page. To run a different model, simply replace Llama 3 with the desired model name in the Ollama run command. Note that you should have at least 8 GB of RAM available to run the 7B models, 16 GB to run the 13B models, and 32 GB to run the 33B models. Let's give the Ollama model a try that also has vision capabilities. Copy the command to run Ollama model. Paste the command into the terminal and hit enter. The Ollama model will start downloading. It will take some time to download depending on your internet connection. Once done, you can start communicating with the model. I have an image on my laptop, and I'm curious to see if the model can identify its contents. I asked, "What's in this image?" and provided the location of the image. Impressive! The model successfully identified both the image's content and the text from the book Dreamy Tales Zone, held by the girl. Let's have a quick look on some Ollama command. By writing Ollama on the terminal window, you can see a list of available commands. Let's try Ollama list command. This command will list all the available models on your local machine. Ollama rm command will remove the given model from your machine. You can also learn how to use any command by appending the help parameter after the command. Let's check the license of the model using show command with the license parameter. Feel free to explore other commands supported by the Ollama app. Ollama empowers you to explore the world of LLMs directly on your machine. With its vast model library, Ollama is a great tool for anyone interested in experimenting with these fascinating AI tools. So, why not give it a try and see what you can create? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions about Ollama or LLMs in general, leave a comment down below.